How to use Binance Futures Trading quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Binance Futures Trading. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, all you have to do is log on to your Binance account, and the first thing you want to do is actually go into your Binance wallet, go into your wallet overview, and you want to transfer money from your spot or normal Binance account into your futures trading account. So you can see in your My Assets section, they will show you how much money you have in a specific wallet, and you just want to transfer it into your futures trading. So you want to put it in your USDM futures, and you can choose any token or any fiat of your choice and enter the amount. Now, once you have done that, once you have put in money in your futures trading, we can actually begin doing our futures trading. So to get started with that, all you're going to do is you're going to go into the derivative section of Binance, and then you're going to go into USDM futures. So once you have clicked on that, this will open up the futures trading market for you. Now you can see over here, this is the futures trading market. You can see on the top left, you have the token of your choice. You can select any token that you want. Let's say I want to trade for Ethereum. So I'm going to select Ethereum over here. And once you have done that, you will actually be able to see the price fluctuations of the specific token. You can zoom in and you can also zoom out to see the overall price fluctuations over a longer span of time. Now you can see over here we have our trading graph, and after that you will see on the right side of your screen you have your order book. Now in your order book you have the open offers that people are putting out to purchase the token and the selling offers, and then below that you have your most recent trades. Now on the total right side of your screen you actually have your own trading section from where you can begin futures trading. Now what is futures trading exactly? What does buy long or sell short mean? Well, futures trading basically means that you are going to be betting on the price of a token. So in futures trading, you don't actually hold any of the token, even when you're buying long. You don't actually hold the token. You're just betting on the price of the token. If you buy long, that means you expect the price to go up, and if you think that the price will go down, you will sell or short that specific token. Now you have limiting orders, you have market orders that you can put, and you have stop limit orders. So stop limit orders are only triggered when a certain price is reached. Limiting orders are put out on a specific price point and you can just put them out. And then you also have market orders that will be placed directly into the market for a certain amount of Ethereum or whatever token that you have chosen. Now, after that, you have cross or isolated trades. Now, the cross trade actually means that all of your funds that are put in your futures account will be put out for completion of all of your trades. So let's say you have one futures order out for Ethereum, one is for Bitcoin, and one is for Polkadot, and you have $10,000. That means all of your money, all of the $10,000 will be put in to make sure that all of your trades happen, and your assets will be liquidated in full margin along with any balance that you might have remaining in your open positions. Now, in terms of isolated trades, you have to manage your own risk on a specific individual position. So if you have $10,000 in your futures account, then you can choose to put in $3,000 in Ethereum, $2,000 in Bitcoin, and $1,000 in Polkadot, and have the remaining in your wallet or in your crypto wallet. And this is a simple way that you can allocate risk on your own. It's a little less risky than cross trading, because in cross trading you're basically letting all of your money have the risk of liquidation. Now, with liquidation risk, obviously you have all kinds of liquidation risks, and you will be in risk of liquidation whenever you are doing futures trading, especially if you're leveraging a lot. Now, what does leveraging mean? You can see on the top right, you will have this 20x or however many x money. Now, this is leverage. Leverage means the tokens or leverage the money that you don't have. So for example, let's say I bet on the price of Ethereum and I'm betting 5 Ethereum. That's going to be around $7,000 or more than $7,000. Now, if I do it 3x, that means $7,000 multiplied by 3 times. So that means I am going to be betting around $21,000. So that is something to keep in mind whenever you are leveraging money. It means that however much you're leveraging, it is going to be that much times the price. So if I have like 1 Ethereum in my specific price point on this size of my buying long or selling short position, and I have 1 Ethereum and I leverage it by 2 times, that means I'm actually going to be buying or selling 2 Ethereum. And if my trade does not go as expected, I will be liquidated, or the initial amount that I actually have in my wallet will also be liquidated. However much I lost will be liquidated from my wallet as well. And that is the reason that you should beware whenever you are leveraging money on any platform or any kind of futures trade. So just as an example, let's say I go on ahead, I do a isolated 2x trade, and let's say I expect the price of Ethereum to go down. So I'm going to select 1200. So this is the price that I expect it to be. And now you're going to enter the Ethereum size. You can choose the amount of Ethereum. So 20% of all your tokens or 30%, and then we have our leverage at 2x. And now you can also take profit or stop loss. Now, what does this mean? Take profit or stop loss is a simple way that you can reduce the risks that you have in a futures trade simply by, let's say if I am selling short, so I expect the price to go down, and I want to take my profits as soon as the price reaches 1300. So as soon as the price reaches 1310, I want to begin taking my profits, and I want to stop my losses as soon as the price goes up to maybe 1400 for Ethereum. And this is the specific mark that I want to begin taking my profits or stopping my losses. You even have advanced options where you will set a specific trigger price for a take profit, stop loss kind of trade. Now, once I have input all of this information, I can simply click on sell short, or I can click on buy long, just like so. And you can see over here, this is one of the simplest trades that you can make for a specific item. So I'm going to input that over here. And like so, you can put in a simple futures trade on Binance. Now, you don't have copy trading information or copy trading options on their specific platform. However, if you go on to other marketplaces, you even have copy trading that you can do. And once you put in a trade, it will be at the bottom of your screen. So if you go on to the bottom, you will see all of your open positions, the open orders that you have placed out for all of the tokens. Now, if you go on to strategy trading, you don't really have a specific future strategy trading that you can do. And you can even choose a single asset mode on futures trading. So this was going to enable you to simplify, or you can put in multi-asset mode where you can bet on multi-trading, and this will basically allow you to offset the different margin asset positions that you have, and you only have cross margins in multiple asset modes. So going on over it once more. Now you can see over here, whenever you limit a order, it basically means to buy or sell at a specific price or better. So let's say I put in a limit order of 1400. Now, just because I put in the limit order doesn't mean that the order will be executed. That is something you should very much have in mind whenever you are looking for a limit order, because you're not going to be able to execute every order that you place. Now, from here, let's say we want to go ahead and take a look at any other crypto tokens. So let's say I want to take a look at BNB and USDT. And you can bet on any crypto token in the futures market, and it's a very simple way for you to be able to earn money in futures trading. When you're going to be able to take your profits and stop losses, I do think that this is a very essential feature. And for people that are looking to earn quickly on crypto, this is definitely the easiest way to do so. Although it is high risk whenever you introduce leverage, you risk losing money that you don't even have. That means liquidation, and it is a little more risky, but if you do understand some of the basics and are able to predict the price accurately, you will be able to make quite a fortune in futures trading on Binance. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.